Hello, my beautiful Brainiacs. A quick update about our special unboxing event. It was supposed to be this evening, but I have had to push it back to Sunday at 9 p.m. because I don't apparently understand technology and had to upgrade my computer before it would possibly handle any live streaming. I'm going to be opening the box of advanced copies of the Your Brain on Facts book and reading a book-exclusive section. Even more than that, I am going to be giving away a signed copy, or copies. All you have to do to enter is to leave in the comments a fact that you learned on the podcast. One per person, please. And for every 10 unique commenters across all platforms, I'm going to give away another book. So it actually increases your chance to win if you share this event with your friends who listen to the show. Or friends who don't listen to the show. They can get one episode in real quick and participate too. So that will be this Sunday, June the 7th at 9 p.m. Eastern. Sorry to my friends across the pond. Go to yourbrainonfacts.com/unboxing, and from there you can click through to your viewing platform of choice. So hear an exclusive topic, have a chance to win a signed copy this Sunday, 9 p.m. Eastern, yourbrainonfacts.com/unboxing. And one other quick word about the timing. I know the world is on fire right now, and it was kind of a now or never thing because it had to be before the publishing date.